Estimating the square root of a real number. Sometimes calculator is not either in our access or we are simply not allowed to use a calculator and we need to estimate the square root of a given real number. For example, we have a number 119 for which we want to find out what is an estimated square root of 119. For this purpose, we are going to find out which two perfect squares are on either side of 119. Like a perfect square which is greater than 119 but is closest to 119. On the lower side, what is the closest perfect square to 119? On left side, it's 100, and on the upper side it's 121. What is a square root of 100? That's 10. What is square root of 121? That's 11. If you have found these perfect squares, then these two integers must be consecutive integers. And now find out the distance between 119 and 100, which is 19, and the distance between 119 and 121, which is 2. Simple. Now the estimated square root, E for estimated, S for square, and R for root. Estimated square root is equal to 10 plus this 19 on here divided by 19 plus this 2 here. This is equal to 10 plus 19 over 21, which will give us 10.90. It is only an estimate and may differ from the actual square root of 119. Therefore, we can say that 119 square root is estimated to be 10.90. If you want to know exactly how close you are, then you can multiply 10.90 with 10.90 and see how close you are with 119. Now, question number 2. And for question number 2, we have 297. Which perfect square is closest to 297 on either side? On the upper side, I believe this would be 324. That is square root of 18. And on the lower side, obviously this must be 17, and the number is 289, for which square root is 17. So how much is the distance between 297 and 289? That is 8 here. And how much is the distance between 324 and 297? That is 27. So once we have established these distances and we know what is the lower boundary here, then estimated square root of 297, it would be approximately equal to 17 plus this side 8 over 8 plus 27, which is equal to 17 plus 8 over 35, and this is equal to 17.22. See how close you are. If you want to know how close you are, 17.22 multiplied by 17.22 must be approximately equal to 297. But again, Remember, this is only an estimate. Let's do another question, question number 3. And here we are going to find out square root for 1147.59. The 1149. And this must be, actually I have given table on the top here for few of the squares which we must memorize. But if we want to find out, okay, what are the closest perfect square on either side of 1147, on the lower side it should be 1089, and on the upper side it should be 1156, because 34 times 34 is 1156, and if that is 34, then this should be 33. So square root of 1089 would be 33, because 33 times 33 is 1089, and this is 34 square root of 1156, because 34 times 34 is 1156. Now we want to find out square root of this. So let's find out what is the distance on this side and what is the distance on this side. 1147.59 minus 1089, that gives us 58.59, and this 1156 minus 1147.59 will give us 8.41, and estimated square root of 1147.59 square root is equal to 33. Rather, this is only equal. So I'm going to use estimated sign, 33 plus 58.59 divided by 58.59 plus 8.41, that is equal to 33 plus 58.59 divided by, if you sum up both, this will become 67, and then when 58.59 is divided by 67, this gives us 33.87. This is a good estimate of square root of 1147.59.